Okay, here's the first version of the Buckshot app. Right now it's on Android only. So basically, tap in the coordinates field and start punching in your numbers. This is a Samsung S9. The built-in video recorder does not capture the on-screen keyboard or some of the other decorations, so this is what it looks like when you're typing. I like to use 39 minus 120 because that's the middle of Lake Tahoe and it's easy to remember. So if I put in that, notice as I'm typing, it'll update the number here in the view list, how many of each coordinate type, how many options of each coordinate type do I have, and it'll show up in the list there. Let's back up a little and make that a little more interesting. I've got 2 decimal degree options, and let's just make it a lot more interesting. 4, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 decimal degree options, 6 degree and decimal minute options, 16 DMS options, and they all show up in a list here. This, if you hit the view list button, that just gets rid of the keyboard, so you can see the full list. In this list, if you find one that you are pretty sure you have higher confidence in, you believe it matches what you heard on the radio or what you were told from dispatch, you just tap that. If you think it's actually a different one, tap that, it'll change. If you aren't sure of any of them, just tap it again and it'll clear it. Basically that will show it up, it'll create the marker in Locus Map with a slightly different image with little red arrow instead of just dots. So let's say we believe it's that one. When I hit create markers, that's going to make a GPX file and download it. File created successfully, shows up in the downloads directory, and you had your little download notification at the top. So if I swipe down to see that download notification, after I tapped it once, it opens up Locus Map Pro is what's associated with that MIME type right now, and it's prompting me to import that file. So I can make a different folder if I want to. In this case, I have an empty folder ready to go. I just hit import and there it is. You can see all my wonderful possibilities. On each of them, you can get the details, find the exact coordinates if I want, but the main benefit of using this is so that you can visually see which of these points matches the narrative description that you were told of where the subject might be, where the ping might be. And it can span quite a distance left to right. Right now it's set up to only find things basically west of the Mississippi, but this should help narrow it down for you.